Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peek. This one is Liliah by Mandie Manzano. I know it's spelled like it would be Liliah, but I promise Mandie calls it Liliah. I talked to her about this painting too. She said it was inspired by a scripture about every woman, angels being in hair, something like that. But so she was toying around with the crazy hair, holding a flower here. It's so pretty. This is a square drill. It is 69.9 by 92.8 centimeters long. We have our thumbnail at the bottom here. Let's see. We'll go ahead and get this open up so we can take a look here. This is part of their bazillion Black Friday releases they have going on here. And if you haven't already, hit the bell on the channel here because I have a few more coming. Ooh, here we go. Alright, we're going to just briefly go over the toolkit here. It'll be a quicker one. If you want a more detailed overview of the toolkit, check out all my other unboxings before the Black Friday ones. But we have lots of unboxings to do for this. So, we have our extra baggies, our twisty pin here with the putty that comes out, our refillable putty. We have our upgraded tray here with the wax and the multi-placer. Alright. Yeah, their new toolkit is much nicer than the old ones. Here is our welcome thank you packet here. We have our tips and tricks at the top, basic step-by-step instructions, kit contents. Here is a QR code to their Facebook group. If you want to see what else is being released for Black Friday, definitely check that out. I'm also going to have a link in the description below, which is my affiliate link. If you're brand new to Diamond Art Club, click on that. You get a little bit of a discount and I get a kickback as well. So check that out. If we open up this packet here, we have our colored stickers. So we have 62 colors. Looks like we have 3 ABs and 4 fairy dusts. So lots of bling in. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, I love it. I love her dress holding that flower. We're going to get into it here. We're going to go ahead and open the canvas up and then we'll go through the colors. It is a big sized one. Oh, and here is her trading card. So the cards here are another form of collectible items. Let's see, this one, I think this one is bronze too, maybe? Yep, so you have the name of the painting, the size, and you could scratch off the cue or the code on the back here, and you can use so many of these to get extra discounts. You can even claim a custom diamond painting from them as well. So check that out on their website for more details with claiming those rewards. All right, let's open this sucker up. How many of you have this on your must-have list? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm opening it the right way the first time. That like never happens. Okay, just a second here. Alright, let's unwrap this. Ooh, that is so pretty. So we do have our red line on the perforation here, but the last few I have opened have not had the bleed through. So let's check here. We can check at the top where the colors are lighter. Maybe if I can get this thing to fit. Alright, so Diamond Art Club does have their perforated plastic, which kind of helps you see where the sections are with this red line here. So you can just peel it up. Now, they did have some issues with some kits with the red lines bleeding through because it was flipped over. As you can see here, that is not the case. There's no bleed through. They have it figured out where the right side goes down. So no worries with that with these new kits. But yeah, this painting is absolutely stunning. The rendering is fantastic. The colors are wonderful. And we have the swirls in her dress down here, which I love the swirls. And she's over here holding this flower. Super stunning. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the different colors here. We have a bunch of colors. We have 62 colors. All right. So here, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Here is all the colors laid out. We have lots of yellow. I love her ombre backgrounds a lot. Mandie is one of my all-time favorite artists. And she's just so cool. We're best friends, by the way, if you guys didn't know that. Anyway, so we have 2 big bags of 725. We have 2 bags of 3371. 2 bags of 803. 727. 312. 2 bags of 312. Here's our 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310. 5200. 2 bags of 3854. 2 bags of 798. 2 bags of 3853. All right. Getting into another bag of 3853. 3 bags of 972. 336. We have 3 bags of 336. 2 bags of 823. 2 bags of 921. 2 bags of 898. Here is one of our fairy dust, Z3078. It's a super light yellow. Very pretty. 939, 900. 2 bags of 3770. 893, or 839, huh? 839, 826. Alright. I think we have a couple more strands here. Did I lose the strand with 2 of them? Let's get this one out of the way. This one is 3845 and 741. Okay. Find where this begins. Here we go. Here's another fairy dust. It's like a light pink Z963. 3846. 3689. 400. 950. 3756. 3771. 813. 951. 300. 598. 3865. This has a huge array of colors too. 828. 402. Here's another fairy dust, light blue, Z3811. This is in the highlights of her dress down here. So we have 918, 321, 726, 920, 826. Alright, I believe this is the last strand here. Here's our ABs, a light green AB, 906. Here's another fairy dust, it's a darker green, Z907, 815. Then we have 894, 915, 893, 892, 718, 3607. We have AB 5200, 3857, 3766. Ooh, this is a pretty AB. This is like a muted pink color. AB 819, 632, 3772, 407, 519, 3064, 3608. Alright. So now I'm going to spot where all the ABs and fairy dusts are mostly. Okay, it looks like our blue fairy dust and AB are all within the highlights of her dress. The yellows and the muted pinks are here in her flowers, and our yellows are here in the highlights of the background. What else did we have? We had a green. So seeing these little flowers here. So they're just kind of sprinkled throughout. The rendering is fabulous. Mandie, of course, knocked it out of the park. And I'm obsessed with her dresses with the swirly swirls. So yeah, check this out. This is going to be one of their Black Friday releases. To check out the rest of the releases, follow their VIP group. And make sure you hit the bell on my channel here so you get notified when I post my next sneak peek. I believe I have one more Mandie to unbox, so check it out. Anyway, So until next time, folks, see you later. Bye.